Hey everybody, Mark Yegi, and this is just a quick video because we just got out of a mastermind meeting, and a lot of people in my mastermind group have made a ton of money in gold, in GLD shares particularly, and we sell covered calls against those GLD shares, and they're doing amazingly well. And so I said, hey, listen, guys, I've seen this, in almost 5 decades of trading, many times where things start to go hockey stick, parabolic, and I want to warn you that they can come down just as quickly as they can go up. In fact, the down is probably more painful. And so if you're out there and you've made a bunch of money in gold or silver or the gold miners or copper or uranium or whatever the metal is or the thing that's being mined is, I want you to be really careful. And so I prepared this little, just a little reminder, right, of what can happen in the market. And I'm going to show you some stock charts right now. So here we go. All right, so let's start here with what's going on in gold. Now, this was from a couple hours ago. Things have changed a bit in this on this chart, but you could see it was at an all-time high. It had a gap up. These red lines here are gaps. And so if you're looking at these gaps, you can see now I have this theory, and it's kind of proven out now, that these gaps get filled. Now, they may not get filled today, tomorrow, or next week, but eventually they get filled. And so there's a gap down here at about 325, right? 315, something like that. And it hasn't seen that in a long time. Now, I don't know if that gap's going to get filled. Maybe it'll never get filled. But generally they get filled at some point. But the ones I'm more concerned about are these ones up here. The ones that are around 410, 411, 420, whatever, because the stock is the gold stock. This is the GLD shares. They're now gapping up on energy. Now that's a good thing normally, but when it's too much, when it's frothy, it's risky. So I'm going to whip through a couple more things. Bear with me, and we'll be done in like 2 minutes. But I want you to imprint this on your mind because this is what you need to know if you're FOMOing into gold. Like you don't want that fear of missing out. Oh my God, everybody's saying it's going to be printing money forever because the world is going to collapse, whatever. Like there's always something, but I'm telling you, the other side of it is rough too. So here we go. Here's the silver trust. Look at this one. Gap, 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 gap. And it had a big gap today on energy. Now, frankly, I shorted this earlier today. And so we'll see how that works out. But a stock, it's like, here's the way I look at it. If you take a Kleenex and you blow the Kleenex up, like, right? The Kleenex is going to go up because it's light and your energy is going to push it up. But at some point, you're going to have to take a breath. And when you take a breath, the Kleenex is going to fall. Now, you have to still have that energy to be able to push it up, but eventually you're going to hyperventilate. And sometimes these things have to come out of the clouds and back to Earth, and then they consolidate. Now, I'm not trying to predict it. I'm just saying I see a lot of patterns that repeat in the market. And if you don't study them, then you're going to repeat them. And I don't want you to do that. All right. So there's silver. Here's the gold miners. Looks very similar. 3 gaps up here. Big energy on this. This one's actually at a sell point on my chart. Zoom Communications from a few years ago. Look at this thing. This went from 588 all the way down to 233. And then if you keep watching it, it went all the way down under 100. So from 500 down to 100. But look at the way the chart looked. It went straight up here. Now, I don't know where we are on this thing with gold and silver and whatever, but you got to look at the charts because the charts are emotions, right? If you just chart, this is human emotion. People are FOMOing into this. And I can tell you, the dumb money is not selling these people the shares that people are buying. It's the smart money. All right, Zoom Communications ended up going down under 100. All right, so MicroStrategy, remember this one? And I said, I call BS because I think this thing is hockey sticked up. It was hockey sticking up, too much volume, gapping up here. It eventually filled that gap. This was the prior MicroStrategy move from 2022, but same thing. And then it came back, it filled all these gaps, and then you know what's happened since. Here's what's happened since. So on November 20th, it went from 543 all the way down to where it is now, like 170, something like that. So, they can go down. You've got to have circuit breakers in to protect you. But these things that are hockey sticking up are very, very risky. So I wanted to just bring that to your attention because the market can be brutal. And even if you think everything's going great, and you're making money in GLD or silver or whatever, the market could take it away from you in a very quick period of time. We sell calls against what we do. We do covered calls. We do spreads and verticals and those kinds of things. We're actually we try to be very, very simple and down the middle in our lane because we believe that as these things are going up, you could still make income. And that's what we've been doing. We've been making income. In this case, a lot of people with a GLD out of the money strategy. So in any case, I want just to warn you that the market goes up, but they can go down as well. And I want you to be really safe. so that you can continue to make money in the market. I hope this reaches you. Talk to you soon.
Let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Are you tired of watching your portfolio go nowhere while the markets swing up and down? Or maybe you handed your hard-earned money to a financial advisor, hoping they'd help you grow it, only to be disappointed by high fees and underwhelming returns? I get it. I've seen it all. And that's exactly why I created the Cashflow Machine Elite course, to put the power back in your hands. This isn't just a theory. This is real, in-depth training on how to generate consistent weekly income from your existing portfolio using covered calls, just like the ones you see in my videos, but at a whole other level. Every week, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in premium income, enough to easily pay for this course in a matter of weeks, and more importantly, enough to build a life where your money works for you and not the other way around. Let's be clear, this course isn't for everyone. It's not for people looking to get lucky. But if you got a decent sized portfolio and you're ready to stop hoping and start earning, then you owe it to yourself to invest in the knowledge that can change everything. The Elite course is now open. The results speak for themselves. Click on the link below and let's build your cash flow machine together.